Hi everyone, in today's video, we will talk about Wondershare EdrawMax. EdrawMax 14 has been launched with many new features. If you want to create flowcharts, mind maps, organizational diagrams, or floor plans, you can easily do this using EdrawMax. Whether you are a student, professional, or entrepreneur, this software is perfect for you. It is a very powerful tool for mind mapping, flowcharts, and network diagrams. You will find the link to EdrawMax in the description of the video. By clicking there, you can visit the website, download it, and install it. After installing, open it. When you do this, you will get an interface where there are 210 types of diagrams available. In the For You section, you will find basic flowcharts like mind maps, block diagrams, organizational charts, and floor plan. Edraw AI section is also present here with AI-generated flowcharts. You can create a flowchart or mind map by simply providing a description. It will generate a flowchart or mind map for you. There are also templates available created by the community, more than 20,000 templates made by professionals. You can use them for any floor plan, flowchart, or network diagram. If you want to search for any template, you can do so easily. You can edit and use these wonderful floor plans and other templates. Let me show you how to create a flowchart. First, I will click on the flowchart button, type in the description, and with the help of AI, it will create a flowchart for me. You won't need to draw anything manually. Here, you can see that a flowchart has been created with AI's help. A new Beautify button has been included, allowing you to change its style. By clicking on it, you will see its colors change, making it even more beautiful. If you click on the View button and activate the flow animation, it will show a connecting path indicating where it has connected. This way, you can easily create mind maps and flowcharts. For example, I click on the AI Mind Map button and type Business Marketing Mind Map. By clicking on the Diagramming button, it will show a table, mind map, flowchart, or SWOT analysis. Let's generate a mind map. The selected mind map will automatically be created with AI's help. You can see how well the mind map has been generated, covering marketing strategies, marketing mix, digital marketing, and marketing communication. If you want to change the mind map style, you can do so using the Beautify button. You can change the layout, connector style, branch fill, branch line, and theme color. You can also change the shapes or colors, add symbols like priority flags or arrows, and customize your mind map further. The Edraw AI button allows you to expand the mind map, prepare summaries, make passages longer or shorter, and translate content into any language. You can add different topics, subtopics, and relationships. There are various symbols available on the left side that you can add to your mind map. If you click on them, a drawing feature will open, where you can use symbols, stickers, landscape, portrait, or 3D elements. Just enter your prompt and click Start Creating. The symbol, sticker, or photo will be generated for you. The text button offers different text layouts, which you can apply as text designs in your mind map. You can also add images, icons, stickers, charts, and widgets. If you want to share the mind map with your team, you can do so using the Share button. Simply click on it, enter the email address you want to share it with, or copy the link. You can also set permissions to allow editing or viewing only. A wonderful new feature is the Upload File option. You can upload any document and ask questions to get answers from it. For example, you can open AI Chat, upload a file, and get a summary of the document. This means you don't need to read everything, and the AI will answer any questions based on the document. You can regenerate the text, copy it, or ask questions about any topic, and the AI will intelligently provide answers. There is an AI tab that includes drawing, flowcharts, mind maps, SWOT analysis, image text extraction, and a quick edit button. This diagramming software is amazing. You will find its link in the video description. Use it to create your diagrams easily. I hope you liked today's video. Please like, comment, and share the video. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye.